Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss various data manipulation instructions. Already in the earlier videos, we have discussed that the instructions are classified into three types based on the operations they perform. One is the data transfer instructions, data manipulation instructions, and program control instructions. In the last video, I have discussed about the data transfer instructions in much detail. In this video, I want to discuss about the data manipulation instructions. Like the data manipulation instructions, we have arithmetic instructions, we have logical instructions, and we have shift instructions. In this video, I want to discuss about arithmetic instructions and logical instructions. And in the next video, I will discuss about the shift instructions. Now first let me discuss about the arithmetic instructions. In the arithmetic instructions, you have 8 types of instructions are there. One is the INC. INC is useful for us to increment the any value. Suppose you have INC R1 you have given. If R1 is having value 5, it will be incremented to 6. Okay, this is useful for us to perform the increment. And DEC instruction will be useful for us to perform the decrement operation. And add, I think everyone know, add, subtract, multiply and division will be useful for you to perform the basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And you have another two instructions. One is add with carry and subtract with borrow. Whenever we are performing the addition, we will add with the carry only. Am I right? We will consider the carry. Suppose if it is 101, 001, then what I will do? I will take the carry 1, 1, the sum will be 0 and carry will be 1 and then this will be 1. Like that I will add with the carry. And subtraction with borrow. So whenever you are performing the subtraction, you have to consider the borrow. That is what the two instructions are explicitly telling. Now we will discuss about the logical instructions. In logical instructions, we have CLR, represents the clear. Whenever you want to clear any content from any register or anywhere, you will give the CLR. Okay, so whatever the content will be there, it will become as 0. Okay, that is the purpose of clear instruction. And COM is useful for us to perform the complement of any content. Suppose if I write COM R1, the whatever the value is there in the register R1 will be performed complement. Okay, and you have AND, OR, exclusive OR. These are the basic logical operations or logical instructions we have. And we have clear carry. Here it is clear only, but if you want to specify the carry also, you have to write CLRC, so it will clear the carry. And set carry. Set carry means the carry flag will be set it as 1. See, whenever there is a clear is there, you are making it as 0. Whenever there is a set instruction is there, you will make it as 1. So I hope you have understood the arithmetic instructions and logical instructions we have. Similarly, we have 8 types of shift instructions are also there, like logical shift operations. We have arithmetic shift operations are there on instructions, circular shift instructions are there, rotate through carry instructions are there. Rotate through carry instructions are there. So we have logical shift instructions are there, arithmetic shift instructions are there, circular shift instructions are there, rotate through carry instructions are also there. In this logical also, we can shift left or right. Similarly, in the arithmetic also, we can shift left or shift right. Similarly, in the circular also, we can shift left and circular right shift is also there. And similarly, rotate right or left through carry is there. So totally we have 8 types of shift instructions are there. In the next video, I will discuss about the shift instructions in much detail with few examples so that you will understand the shift instructions in detail. So in this video, I hope you have understood what are the logical instructions and what are the arithmetic instructions. If you have any doubts related to this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.